In this video, I'll show you how to watch NBC live on Roku. I will also show a picture of my dog at the end of the video, which you don't want to miss. Step 1. Install NBC app. On Roku Home, navigate to Streaming Channels and then Search. Type NBC and select the NBC app. Select Add Channel, launch it from your home screen and log in with a participating TV provider account. Stream live content or select episodes. Some content may be free. Step 2. Use Peacock for NBC. Go to Streaming Channels, then search and then type Peacock and add the app. Sign up for or log into your Peacock account. Access live NBC local shows or the news with a paid plan. Step 3. Try YouTube TV, Hulu Live, Fubo TV or Sling. Install YouTube TV, Hulu, plus Live TV, Fubo TV or Sling Blue Plan from the channel store. Subscribe and sign in. These services include NBC Live plus some additional channels. Step 4. Check the Roku channel. Open the Roku channel for 24/7 NBC News Now streams and major metro local news stations. Some live NBC News options are available for free. Step 5. Use an over-the-air antenna. Plug an antenna into the AND cable in port on your Roku TV. Then go to Settings, TV Inputs, Antenna TV and scan for channels. Tune to NBC local channel to watch live free over the air. And that is how you watch NBC live on Roku. I hope you found this video helpful, and here is a nice picture of my dog. Do you find him cute? I do. Thanks for watching, subscribe.